Wearable Devices and Rokid, a leader in human-computer interaction and augmented reality, declared they're joining forces to deliver seamless gesture control for Rokid glasses, the world's lightest full-featured AI and AR glasses, paired with Wearable Devices' Mudra Link wristband for touch-free control. The collaboration ensures compatibility, including out-of-the-box pairing, pre-mapped gestures, and joint marketing efforts, with a consumer bundle rollout expected in Q2 2026. Rokid glasses offer AI features such as real-time translation, navigation, and transcription, while Mudra Link allows for intuitive wrist-based gesture control. The goal is to simplify the user experience, enabling fast, natural interactions with AR glasses. The two companies plan to demonstrate the combined solution at CES 2026 in Las Vegas. Wearable Devices also introduced updates to its Mudra platform, meant to streamlining gesture-based interaction across smart glasses. The updates include customized presets for common functions like volume control, play and pause, enabling users to apply preset controls or modify them. The Mudra Link application is now compatible with select smart glasses, allowing users to perform setup and configuration directly on the glasses, reducing setup time and enhancing cross-brand interoperability. To make things even better, Wearable Devices also announced receiving a $750,000 grant from the Israel Innovation Authority for a clinical pilot in partnership with Soroka University Medical Center. The pilot will explore the Mudra Link neural wristband as a rehabilitation tool for patients with impaired grip force control following brain injuries. Using surface neural electromyography technology, the system provides real-time biofeedback to help patients improve grip force modulation, demonstrating the broader potential of the Mudra platform in healthcare to provide cost-effective at-home rehabilitation options. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.